Our video begins with the protagonist receiving an unexpected package. The package is from a well-known phone company, and inside is the latest smartphone model. The protagonist is puzzled because they didn't order a phone. Suddenly, they receive an email and WhatsApp message from a fake business account claiming there's been a mix-up and asking them to return the phone using a prepaid shipping label attached in the email. However, if you return it, you will be sending it directly to the scammer. If you receive an unexpected package, parcel, or technical device, the first thing you should do is contact the customer service department of the shop the item was originally sent from and potentially speak to their fraud investigation team immediately. Now, I will give you some helpful tips on how to prevent this happening to you. Do not answer calls from numbers you do not recognize. If a caller appears insincere, ask the caller to identify themselves. If you still feel this caller is insincere, hang up the call and call the company about yourself. Do not provide any security details and/or information that could identify yourself and/or your account.